Breaking through fear, how to face challenges with courage. Fear is a natural part of the human experience, designed to protect us from harm. However, when fear begins to dominate our thoughts and actions, it can hinder personal growth and prevent us from reaching our full potential. Facing challenges with courage requires understanding fear, building resilience, and taking actionable steps to move beyond limitations. This article explores the nature of fear, the importance of courage, and practical strategies for breaking through fear to face life's challenges with confidence and determination. Understanding fear and its impact. Fear is an emotional response triggered by perceived threats or danger, whether real or imagined. It activates the body's fight or flight mechanism, which can be beneficial in critical situations. However, in modern life, fear often arises from public speaking, career changes, or personal relationships, areas that may not pose physical danger but still feel intimidating. 1. Common sources of fear. Fear of failure, the worry of making mistakes or not meeting expectations. Fear of rejection, concern about not being accepted or valued by others. Fear of uncertainty, discomfort with the unknown or situations beyond control. Fear of inadequacy, feeling unprepared or not good enough to succeed. 2. How fear affects us. Fear can lead to paralysis, inability to take action or make decisions. Procrastination, delaying tasks out of fear of failure or rejection. Self-doubt, undermining confidence in one's abilities. Missed opportunities, avoiding risks that could lead to growth or success. While fear can be a powerful obstacle, it is not insurmountable. By cultivating courage and adopting practical strategies, anyone can learn to face challenges head-on. The role of courage. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act despite it. It is a skill that can be developed through practice and perseverance. Courage allows individuals to confront their fears, embrace vulnerability, and take bold steps toward growth. 1. Why courage matters. Builds resilience. Courage strengthens mental and emotional fortitude, enabling you to recover from setbacks. Promotes growth. Facing fears often leads to new experiences, skills, and perspectives. Empowers others. Courage is contagious and can inspire those around you to confront their challenges. 2. Types of courage. A physical courage, overcoming physical challenges or dangers. Emotional courage, facing personal fears, vulnerabilities, or emotional pain. Moral courage, standing up for what you believe is right, even in opposition. Practical strategies for breaking through fear. 1. Acknowledge and accept your fear. Recognize that fear is a natural response, not a sign of weakness. Acceptance allows you to address it constructively. Journal about your fears to identify their root causes and patterns. 2. Reframe fear as an opportunity. Shift your mindset from seeing fear as a barrier to viewing it as a chance for growth. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation, or how can overcoming this fear benefit me? 3. Break challenges into smaller steps. Large challenges can feel overwhelming, but breaking them into smaller, manageable tasks makes them more approachable. Focus on incremental progress rather than the end goal. 4. Develop a plan of action. Create a step-by-step plan to confront your fear. For example, if you fear public speaking, start by speaking in small groups, then gradually work your way up to larger audiences. 5. Build confidence through preparation. Preparation reduces uncertainty, which is often a root cause of fear. Research, practice, and equip yourself with the necessary skills to handle the challenge. 6. Seek support and encouragement. Share your fears with trusted friends, family, or mentors who can offer guidance and encouragement. Join support groups or communities where others face similar challenges. 7. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or meditation to calm your mind and body. Regular exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep can reduce anxiety and increase resilience. 8. Visualize success. Imagine yourself successfully overcoming the challenge. Visualization helps to build confidence and reduce fear of failure. Focus on the positive outcomes of your actions. 9. Take action. Even if it's small, courage grows through action. Start with small, achievable tasks to build momentum and confidence. Celebrate each victory, no matter how minor, to reinforce progress. 10. Learn from failures and setbacks. Understand that failure is a natural part of growth. Treat it as a learning experience rather than a permanent defeat. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve next time. 11. Focus on your why. Remind yourself of the purpose or goal behind your actions. A strong sense of purpose can motivate you to push through fear. Examples of facing fear with courage. 1. Overcoming fear of public speaking. Start by practicing in front of a mirror or recording yourself. Gradually increase your audience size, starting with friends or colleagues. Join organizations like Toastmasters to improve your speaking skills. 2. Facing career challenges. If you're considering a career change, research the new field, network with professionals, and update your skills. Take small steps, such as attending workshops or freelancing, before committing fully. 3. Navigating personal relationships. Address fears of rejection or vulnerability by communicating openly and honestly with others. Focus on building trust and understanding in relationships. Building a courageous mindset. 1. Embrace discomfort. Growth often requires stepping out of your comfort zone. Embrace discomfort as a sign that you're challenging yourself. 2. Adopt a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn and improve rather than as threats. Replace self-limiting beliefs with affirmations of your abilities. 3. Celebrate progress. Recognize and reward yourself for small wins along the way. Acknowledging progress reinforces positive behavior. 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Positive influences can boost your confidence and courage. 5. Stay persistent. Courage is not a one-time act but a habit. Commit to facing fears consistently, even when progress feels slow. The transformative power of courage. Breaking through fear transforms not only how you face challenges but also how you perceive yourself. You build confidence, resilience, and a sense of accomplishment each time you act courageously. Over time, challenges that once seemed insurmountable become stepping stones toward personal growth and success. Final thoughts. Facing fear with courage is a journey that requires self-awareness, effort, and perseverance. You can overcome even the most daunting challenges by acknowledging your fears, reframing them as opportunities, and taking small, consistent actions. Remember, courage is not about being fearless, but about moving forward despite fear. With time and practice, you'll conquer your fears and discover strengths and capabilities you never knew you had.